because it's about that you matter to yourself and that you love yourself enough to hold those boundaries, whether people agree with them or don't agree with them, because you matter. When it comes to financial boundaries, there's always pressure and guilt. It just comes up. It just is. And the only way around it is to actually feel your feelings. So when the guilt comes up and you hold the boundary, feel your feelings. When you're trying to muster up the courage, you hold the boundary and you think everyone's going to run out and abandon you in your life, feel your feelings. The only way to get to the other side of any blame, shame, guilt, or judgment, or any emotion for that matter, is you just have to feel your feelings and feel what you've been avoiding feeling your entire life. That is the only way to the freedom on the other side. You know, it really doesn't matter what other people's point of views are on boundary. If you're doing it authentically for yourself, anybody else's opinion actually doesn't matter, because it's about that you matter to yourself and that you love yourself enough to hold those boundaries, whether people agree with them or don't agree with them, because you matter. Remember when I said that you are the creator of your life? That also means that you choose or you choose not to be fiscally responsible for others, whether it's your children, whether it's other family members. You know, I always tell people when they're worried about like their parents as they're aging, it's a very common theme that I actually run into, or when kids are launching out of college and becoming young adults. You have to do what you want to do to where you have no regrets. That's why there's no one answer fits all. It's about you going inside and showing up in a way that you know is in alignment with yourself. So when you see your guilt come up, that just means that you're doing something that's not in alignment with yourself. You're doing an alignment for others. People love the fact that you'll financially hold the container for them. Guess what? All you're creating is a spoiled brat from that perspective. Now, some people may need the help. You know, I have zero problem helping out my parents. They did a great job raising us 12 kids. And you know what? When I go to Costco, I get mom and dad Costco too. You know what? When my mom was sick before she died, some of my siblings had the time to be able to take off work, but they lost wages. So I sent them money for their lost wages. Like, it's okay to help out. It's okay to do what it is that you would like to help others. But the key is you have to do what's right for self and help others if you want to. More often than not, people pleasers and fix-it people, or people who want to control situations, they try to actually control other people by paying for their stuff. Like, you have to detach. If you're going to help somebody, don't do it at your cost, meaning that you're not getting what you desire in life for your hard work for the money you have. But also, see if you're using money as a tool of control of other people. I see that a lot, particularly in marriages or parents that are trying to control their children. So if you're using money as a control vehicle, take a look and say, what is unresolved in you that you need to work on, that you're trying to control other people? Because really, you never have control of anyone else. It's just a facade. And so at some juncture, it always comes to bite you in the butt. So the key is make sure that you help people when it's energetically in right alignment. And it's not about you trying to reduce your stress by people pleasing, fixing it for somebody else, trying to control somebody else. Those are all the ways that I find that people are trying to reduce their own stress levels. But it's really about the fact that you have something emotionally unresolved in yourself, and it's acting its way out in how you handle your money with others. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner, and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because then you can get more knowledge all the time and be a part of a community that's actually going to lift you up.